meeting. All the officials, the cabinet ministers were also present, which was chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
So there have been multiple meetings at 7 LKM is what you're telling us, Mehndi. This, of course, is one of them, the cabinet meeting that was chaired earlier this morning. There was also the CCS, which preceded the cabinet meeting. The CCS also took place this morning, Mehndi. And meetings right now also continuing at 7 LKM. That's what you're telling us. It has been, of course, a long night and morning for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He was monitoring, of course, these strikes as well, is what our sources tell us. And the meetings, of course, continue. There was a CCS this morning. Also then this cabinet, the visuals of which are on our screens, and more meetings continue is what you're telling us.
Well, yes, so the visuals are very clear of the CCS meeting, and after the CCS meeting ended, there was a cabinet meet as well, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is chairing all these meetings. And not only this, Uday, but he is also monitoring the Operation Sindoor that was conducted by the Indian Army. And yes, indeed, it was a very long night for Prime Minister and also the officials, the Indian Army, because since early in the morning, since when the strike happened over Pakistan around 1:15 a.m., from that time only, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was completely and was in touch with the army officials as well, and he was monitoring the strike himself, and he was constantly in touch with the army officers as well. And after that, early in the morning, when the nation wakes up to this big development and this big victory of India, Prime Minister Modi also held talks with Ajit Doval, and a CCS meeting also happened where the big leaders, cabinet ministers, after that also reached there for the cabinet meeting in the Lok Kalyan Marg in Prime Minister's residence. And in that meeting also there, Prime Minister himself along with Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh briefed all the cabinet ministers about Operation Sindoor as well. And yes, so there in the upcoming hours also big meetings are still underway. And as per the Chief of Army Staff, who has taken to his X platform saying that more is a plan to happen. So right now, yes, the Indian government is on its toes, the Indian Army is on its toes, and right now the people are celebrating this big win and this justice that was served finally to all those 26 lives. Yes, Uday.
All right, it's in fact now